What's up, fam? Today we're going to city walk with my service dog and some stuff for the dog, and we will catch you guys inside because we ain't got no time to waste type shit. You know what I'm saying? So he forgot to put on his shoes, like he was gonna walk in the Petco barefooted. By the way. We have entered Petco, and today we're gonna go get some boots for my dog.
Were we here just a week ago?
Possibly. So I saw these boots on the side of the wall, and I'm not quite sure where it is, but they're like $30. I'm not gonna lie.
Where the ferrets at?
No, they don't have any ferrets. Oh yes, they do. Yes, they do. Oh my god.
How much are they?
The same price.
Oh hell.
They have one more left. Trying to find the boots. I thought they had them. Okay, here's the boots. I sincerely hope that these fit. Made it to City Walk, guys. Traffic was insanely horrible, but we're all ready to go. Right?
I'm not even in the frame.
Oh, right?
Hello.
Okay. All right, let's go. So I think, I don't know. Where do we go? That's a good question. So I'll let you guys know what kind of process it is to bring your service dog into City Walk, since there's not a whole lot of stuff about that. I know there's a process on how to bring your dog into Universal, but obviously, I mean, it's pretty simple. They're only allowed to ask you 2 questions. That is it. Is that a service dog, and what tasks is it trained to perform? That's basically it. They can't ask for any ID or anything. But just in case that happens, I do have information cards and an information brochure to ensure that we are getting what we need. So we're going to be taking the elevator down. This is Jimmy, the most wonderful person in the world.
Yeah.
Beep, beep, beep. All right, go ahead.
You are the 416 through 419. The doors are closing. Please stand clear.
We're gonna see where the hell we're going, because I don't know where we're going. Actually, he doesn't really care. He's like trying to walk. He's like, where am I going? Aw, he's it.
Why is it so slow?
I think because we're supposed to walk on it.
For safety, all bags, packages, and personal items will be inspected. To assist with the security screening process, please.
Yellow diamonds in the light, and we're standing side by side. As the shadow crosses mine, what it takes to come
Diamonds go crazy.
it's the way I'm feeling, I just can't deny.
To through security with the service dog, and I'm guessing it's the same way you would get through the airport with the service dog. So we're gonna see how that goes. I might just have him like sit in the sit stay while I go through the scanner, and then I'll call him. It depends if he'll stay or not, because he's where we can go. So we're gonna go wheelchairs and double strollers, because I have a feeling that's where we should be going. Nibbles, sit.
Is this a service dog?
Yes.
What does it say?
He's a cardiac alert.
Can I see the movie too? When you get in the function, my question is about it.
Okay, that's fine. Alright, they just asked him his task, so we're all good. They didn't ask for any paper again, so they're very, like, knowledgeable of what they're doing. All right, so I guess we'll just follow the crowd. You loud. Look, there's a thing. Whatever that is.
There's a big ass troglodyte.
Oh, what? That's me. This is me. Whatever that is.
Invaders from Planet
Golf.
Wait, City Walk is just a discount business place.
Is it? Besides the parking being fucking expensive. Oh, so this is City Walk, y'all. This is Universal. Yeah, so the service dog thing, no problem. They were nice about it. The guy that I came in with, like, he seemed kind of iffy about it. He was like, I don't think he knows. So yeah, it's pretty accessible as far as I've seen service dog wise. I'm not quite sure if it, I mean, yeah, it's wheelchair friendly. I've seen a couple people in chairs and whatnot. There's a cinema. So the only reason why we came here is because it is, I don't know, because I wanted to hang out with my level. So yeah, that's why we're here. Also, I took him. This is his first time being in such a big, crowded area. Obviously, we try to experience our service dogs to everything that we can. But of course, you know, everything may not be, you know, available at the time. So he's 7 years old, turning 8 soon. Like next year, he's turning 8. So he's slowly climbing to new environments. So we're gonna go in the Nintendo world because my mom used to like Nintendo, so of course I'm gonna go inside.
But just like
Who?
the one Asian guy who makes food that was good as shit.
Record. I hope you're a good filmer. Does that say Diddy? Yo, Diddy. Are you actually? His leash is like. His leash is under.
Well, now I am. I paused it to look at it. You said stop. Oh god, I just can't do it.
His friend has a club.
So of course people are going to talk about this clip in the entirety of the fact that I said it's not a service dog and it might come back as fake spotting. So there's a lot of allegations saying, oh, my dog wasn't well trained enough, it should have been focused on me. My dog, I'm glad my dog especially went and saw the dog before I did, because if it wasn't for him not seeing the dog, he would have got intact. If he was paying attention to me and not around his surroundings, he definitely would not have seen the dog and would have not reacted the way he did. He recovered greatly after that. Another allegation is that we intentionally walked into this dog for views. That is not true. We were heading to Cowfish and we didn't end up going until later because of the situation. Because after I had to debrief and calm down a little bit, because like, bro, come on. You're in Universal City Walk with your untrained dog. And if it is a service dog, it is not well trained enough to be in such crowded areas. That is just plain simple, you know, proof, whatever. But I just wanted to address those before if I ever get comments saying the same things, Nibbles is a well-trained dog. I'm glad he did not react past what he did. He literally just looked at the dog, he leaped, recovered, and he was fine. And I'm really glad that the situation didn't escalate past that. As you can see, I just continued walking. I didn't talk to anybody because I don't have the social energy or the mental battery to do all that. I just want to enjoy my day. That is the severity of that clip and its explanation. Enjoy the video.
I'm trying to keep my feet out of the shot. Antojitos, authentic Mexican food. All right, AJ Lee. Every time I'm leaving on you, don't make it easy. Okay. This reminds me of a place I went to in where was it? In Austin. No, it was actually that day that you fucked your ears up. None.
I fucked my what?
Nope. I remember I went somewhere that looks like this in Austin. I remember it was the day that you had that fuck ass family reunion.
What is like?
You ever see this and want to like top con heel?
For the rest of my life, I'll be with you. I'll stay by your side, honest and true to the end of my time. I'll be loving you for the rest of my life, through days and nights. I'll thank Allah.